I'm not giving you any chance. Next order. We are on statements and questions. Order. Order, honorable members. If you read your standing orders, we say question time starts not later than 3 p.m. We are now at 3:17. The Minister for Education is here. There are your colleagues who have filed questions on behalf of the people they represent and the country. We shall now welcome the Honorable Ezekiel Machogu, the Minister for Education, and I call upon the member for Embakasi West, the Honorable Mwenje, to ask the first question. Honorable Mwenje. Honorable Mwenje. Order. 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 Honorable members. Order. Honorable Atandi. Honorable Atandi. It is grossly out of order to throw the jibes that I've had you throw at the chair, and you'll go down in history as the first member to be ordered to be excluded from the proceedings of the House, and I'll order you to leave this afternoon. Honorable Atandi, take your leave. Take your leave, Honorable Atandi. Honorable Atandi, take your leave. You know very well that the Speaker has a lot of time for you, but you have no right to say what you said. Take your leave. Honorable Atandi, take your leave. If the chair was to be drastic, I would have asked somebody to name you, but I will not. Just take your leave quietly. Order, Honorable Wandai. Let me finish with Atandi first. Order, order. Honorable Atandi, take your leave. Order, Honorable Wandai. Order, Honorable Wandai. You don't own any member in this House. You only lead members. You don't own any member. Honorable Wandai, you don't own any member. Honorable Atandi, take your leave. Honorable Atandi, you know the consequences of disobeying that order. Take your leave. Order, Honorable Wamboka. Wanda Atandi, take your leave. Honorable Atandi, take your leave. Honorable Atandi, you know the consequences of disobeying the chair. Take your leave. Order, Honorable Angela. Honorable Atandi, take your leave. Just take your leave. You are now a stranger in the House. Take your leave. Honorable Atandi. Order, honorable members. Order, Honorable Mbui. Honorable Mbui, take your seat. Honorable Atandi, take your leave. Be the gentleman that I know. Honorable Mwenje, ask your question. Honorable Mwenje, are you in the House? Ask your question.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Could the Cabinet Secretary explain the action that the ministry has taken against those responsible for invading Umoja 1 Primary School on 5th April 2023, and give the status of investigations into the invasion and indicate whether any